Each asset owner required to submit asset capability statements in the ACS application must have at least one admin user. Best practice is to have 2 admin users per asset owner to always have a backup option. Admin users are responsible for managing and approving new user requests from within their organization and managing the publishing and rollback of new drafts to any ACS. Go to the Users page to see the list of existing users within your organization. You can edit or delete an existing user, or you can export a user list. Click Request to add new user, enter the required information, and select the appropriate user permissions for the new user. There are 3 levels of access in the ACS application. Admin users have access to and can edit all stations within the asset owner organization, and they can also edit and create users and contacts. Edit users can view and edit the ACS of the stations they've been given access to, and they can also edit and create contacts. View users can only view an ACS they've been given access to. Select the stations that the user will be provided access to. Use the double arrow to select all stations. Click Save and confirm the new user's email address. The user will receive an email notification when their account is ready and will be guided through the login process.